Hello, everyone. First of all, I want to say thank you so much to all of you who continue to support this channel. Your likes, comments, and shares really mean a lot and help this channel keep growing. And for those of you who are visiting this channel for the very first time, welcome. If you find the videos here helpful, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, sharing the video, leaving a like, and dropping a comment below. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating useful content for you. All right, let's jump into today's video. Today, we're going to take a look at IObit Malware Fighter PRO, a security software designed to protect your computer from malware, ransomware, spyware, and other online threats. In today's digital world, where cyber threats are becoming more advanced, having reliable protection on your computer is more important than ever. And that's where IObit Malware Fighter PRO comes in. One of the things that stands out about this software is its real-time protection system. It continuously monitors your computer to detect and block suspicious activity before it can cause damage. Another great feature is its advanced anti-ransomware protection, which helps safeguard your important files from being locked or encrypted by ransomware attacks. The software also includes multiple protection engines, combining the IObit Anti-Malware engine with the powerful Bitdefender engine, giving you an extra layer of security. When it comes to performance, IObit Malware Fighter PRO is designed to run lightweight in the background, meaning it protects your system without slowing down your computer. It also provides browser protection, helping block malicious websites, dangerous downloads, and phishing attempts while you browse the internet. The interface is very clean, simple, and beginner-friendly, so even if you're not very tech-savvy, you can easily navigate and use the software. Overall, IObit Malware Fighter PRO offers a solid combination of protection, performance, and ease of use, making it a great option for anyone looking to enhance their computer security. But, of course, no software is perfect, so in this video, we'll also take a closer look at its features, performance, and whether it's really worth using. So make sure you watch this video until the end to find out if this security software is the right choice for you. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you enjoy this kind of content. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.